Chili peppers are a mistake that humans refuse to correct. From a biological perspective, they are designed to hurt. Chili peppers evolved not to be eaten, but to be avoided. The defining chemical, capsaicin, triggers pain receptors. Not taste, pain. And yet, humans built entire cuisines around it. Chili peppers belong to the genus Capsicum within the nightshade family, Solanaceae. This places them alongside tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants. But none of those actively attack the nervous system. Chili peppers do. Capsaicin binds to TRPV1 receptors in the mouth and skin. These receptors normally respond to heat and physical damage. When activated, the brain interprets the signal as burning. There is no actual heat. The fire is neurological. For most mammals, this works. They avoid chili peppers instinctively. Birds, however, are immune to capsaicin. Their receptors do not respond the same way. Birds eat chilies and spread seeds efficiently. This is not an accident. Chili peppers evolved to punish mammals and recruit birds. Humans broke the system. Chili peppers originated in the Americas. Archaeological evidence places their domestication in Mexico over 6,000 years ago. They were one of the first crops cultivated in the New World. Long before sugar, long before wheat, indigenous civilizations embraced chilies fully. They were not a garnish. They were central. Flavor, preservation, medicine, and ritual all revolved around them. Capsaicin kills bacteria. Capsaicin preserves food. Capsaicin stimulates appetite. In hot climates, chili peppers offered survival advantages. When chilies spread globally after the Columbian Exchange, they detonated culinary revolutions. Asia, Africa, and Europe adopted them rapidly. Faster than tomatoes. Faster than potatoes. Why? Because chili peppers solve problems. They added intensity to bland staples. They masked spoilage. They created excitement in limited diets. Pain became utility. Humans also discovered something unexpected. After the pain, pleasure followed. Capsaicin triggers endorphin release. The body responds to perceived injury by releasing natural painkillers. This creates a high. Spicy food is controlled suffering. Over time, cultures developed tolerance. What once caused agony became comfort. Heat thresholds rose. Chili peppers became identity markers. Mild, hot, very hot, extreme. The Scoville scale was invented to measure capsaicin concentration. Originally subjective, now chemical. From bell peppers at 0 to capsaicin extracts that exceed millions of Scoville units. At a certain point, it is no longer food. It is challenge. Botanically, chili peppers vary wildly. Small, large, thin, thick, wrinkled, smooth. Color shifts from green to red as peppers ripen, but yellow, orange, purple, and brown varieties exist. Flavor changes with heat. Hotter peppers are not always more flavorful, but complexity increases with maturity. Green chilies are sharper and vegetal. Ripe chilies are sweeter, fruitier, and deeper. Culinarily, chili peppers are infinitely adaptable. Fresh, dried, smoked, fermented, powdered, pickled. Each transformation alters chemistry and perception. Fermentation softens heat and amplifies umami. Drying concentrates capsaicin. Smoking adds depth. No other vegetable transforms this completely. Nutritionally, chili peppers are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Capsaicin has been studied for metabolic stimulation, pain relief, and cardiovascular benefits. But dosage matters. Too much causes inflammation. Moderation turns poison into tool. Culturally, chili peppers became symbols. Power, masculinity, endurance. In some cultures, eating extreme heat is performance. This is not accidental. Humans seek boundaries. Chili peppers offer a safe way to cross one. You suffer, but you survive. You prove something. Chili peppers also democratized flavor. They are cheap to grow, high-yielding, accessible. They empowered small cuisines. A single pepper can change a pot. Agriculturally, chili plants are sensitive. They require warmth, sunlight, and careful watering. Stress increases capsaicin production. Comfortable plants are milder. Suffering produces heat. In modern systems, chili peppers are both commodity and obsession. From industrial sources to artisanal cultivars, heat has become branding. Mild is boring. Extreme sells. But chili peppers were never about excess. They were about control. Control of microbes. Control of appetite. Control of emotion. They taught humans that pain can be negotiated. Chili peppers are not vegetables that ask permission. They challenge you. They provoke. They demand attention. And humans answered by building cultures around them. We chose the pain, and we kept choosing it.